students. Now we will read about the freedom fighters of 1857. The freedom struggle of 1857 was a widespread event in India. The gallant act of the fighters soon became famous and well known among the people. So here we will read about some freedom fighters. First of all, we will read about Mangal Pandey. Mangal Pandey was a soldier who was posted in Barakpur Chhavni, Bengal. On 29th March 1857, he refused to open the larded cartridge with teeth and shot an officer dead in his anger. He was arrested and hanged to death on 8th April 1857. We had read earlier that Mangal Pandey was the first martyr of the freedom struggle of 1857. Next one is Bahadur Shah Zafar II. Bahadur Shah Zafar was the last Mughal emperor. On the May 10th, 1857, the soldier of Meerut cantonment marched to Delhi following a revolt against British officers. Having conquered Delhi, they proclaimed Bahadur Shah II as the Emperor of India. Despite of his old age, Bahadur Shah II accepted the leadership of revolt. Looking to the enthusiasm of soldier, he also optimistic about the success of revolt. Lord Canning was so appalled by the response that he decided to crush the revolt in Delhi itself. Bahadur Shah's army fought very gallantly and furiously with the British army but were eventually defeated. British arrested Bahadur Shah and exiled him to Rangoon, where he died in 1862. So Bahadur Shah Zafar II was last Mughal emperor. May 10th, 1857, he was declared as the Emperor of India, and Lord Canning crushed the revolt and arrested him and sent him to Rangoon. Next one is Rani Lakshmi Bai, and we all know about her gallantry. In year 1854, following the death of Raja Gangadhar Rao, the husband of Lakshmi Bai, British government denied to their adopted son the heir to the throne and merged Jhansi in the British Empire. तो ये रीज़न क्या था कि आफ्टर द डेथ ऑफ राजा गंगाधर राव, उन्होंने जो सन अडॉप्ट किया था दामोदर राव को, ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट ने उनको एम्परर मानने से मना कर लिया था, और इसी चीज़ को रानी लक्ष्मीबाई ने प्रोटेस्ट किया. शी प्रोटेस्टेड एंड फॉट furiously. Having defeated by heroes, she landed in Kalpi, and with the help of Tatya Tope, she acquired Gwalior. British commander heroes beside Gwalior Fort. On 18th June 1858, Lakshmi Bai sacrificed her life in soldier's outfit. Stories of her valor are still sung and inspired the Indians. तो आज भी जो रानी लक्ष्मीबाई की ब्रेवरी की बातें की जाती हैं, उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से लड़ाइयाँ लड़ी और अपनी जान दे दी, लेकिन उन्होंने ब्रिटिशर्स की बात मानने से मना कर दिया था. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ तात्या टोपे. तात्या टोपे वॉज one of the valiant soldier of struggle of 1857 who had loyalty with Peshwa family. Tatya Tope will be remembered for his patriotism, courage, strategic skill, military acumen, perseverance in the absence of resources, fearlessness, and guerrilla warfare. After the death of Rani Lakshmibai, Tatya Tope continuously engaged himself in guerrilla warfare and challenged British Army in central India and Bundelkhand. He was arrested by Britishers and deceit and betrayal. He was caught in the jungle of Aroon and was hanged in Shivpuri on 18th April 1859. Next freedom fighter was Nana Sahib. Nana Sahib was another important soldier in the freedom struggle. He was the adopted son of Bajirao Peshwa II and stayed in Bithur. After the dismissal of Bajirao Peshwa, British government refused to grant title or pension to Nana Sahib. Therefore, along with his loyal soldiers, chased British army from Kanpur and declared himself a Peshwa. Tatya Tope and Ajmulla were his loyal army chief. तो ये रानी लक्ष्मीबाई, तात्या टोपे, नाना साहब, ये सभी एक साथ मिलकर इन्होंने जो फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल था उसमें बहुत अच्छे से ब्रिटिशर्स का सामना किया और उन्हें हटाने की पूरी कोशिश की. नेक्स्ट वन इज बेगम हजरत महल. Begum Hazrat Mahal was the widow of Nawab of Awadh. Once the revolt started, Begum encouraged and managed it. She declared her minor son, Birjas Qadir, as Nawab of Awadh and ordered her soldier to attack the British residency in Lucknow. She also led the revolt in Shahjahanpur. After suffering a defeat, she went to Nepal. तो इस तरीके से हम लोगों ने कई फ्रीडम फाइटर्स के नेम अभी पढ़े. इनके अलावा भी कई नेम्स हैं. सम अदर पार्टिसिपेंट्स इन द रिवॉल्ट वर कुंवर सिंह ऑफ जगदीशपुर बिहार, अहमदुल्ला ऑफ फैजाबाद रोहिलखंड, रुंगा बाऊजी गुप्ते सतारा, सोनाजी पंडित हैदराबाद, भीमराव मुंडागरी कर्नाटक, अन्नाजी फडणवीस ऑफ कोल्हापुर एंड गुलाम गौस ऑफ मद्रास एक्सेट्रा. एग्ज़ाम में इनसे रिलेटेड कुछ शॉर्ट नोट्स आते हैं, इसलिए आपको इन्हें खूब अच्छे से स्टडी करना है.